Hey, wait, let's solve this science question. Okay, so question 1, what is kinetic energy? So when you talk about kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So kinetic energy deals with motion, potential energy deals with position. So kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So let's write it. 1, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. Its motion. Okay, so this is kinetic energy. Question 2. An athlete of mass 70.0 kg runs a 100-meter race in 10 seconds. Calculate the kinetic energy. So let's read the question, write down all the meaningful information before we start to solve. So question 2. An athlete of mass, so the mass of the athlete from the question is 70.0 kilograms, runs a 100-meter race. So this becomes the distance. So the distance is 100 meters. In 10 seconds, so time is measured in seconds, is 10 seconds. Calculate the kinetic energy. So we have been asked to calculate the kinetic energy. So that one becomes question mark. Okay. So we know that kinetic energy, that is Ke, kinetic energy equals half times mass times velocity squared. So this is the formula for calculating kinetic energy. Half mv squared. From the question, do you have the mass? Yes, the mass is there. What about the velocity? There is no velocity in the question. Therefore, let's calculate velocity first. We can say, but velocity equals, so velocity is distance over time. So distance over time. Now let's substitute the information into the question. So from the question, the distance is 100 meters. So this is 100 meters. Over time is 10 seconds. So this 0 can cancel this, then we get 10 over 1, which is 10. So the velocity is 10 meters per second. Now let's use the information, substitute it into the kinetic energy formula, and find the kinetic energy of the athlete. So we can say, therefore, kinetic energy equals half mv squared. So this is half times mass is 70. So 70.0 times velocity, we just calculated it 10. So that will be 10 squared, since the formula is v squared. Now this is going to give us half of 70 is 35 times 10 squared. 10 times 10 is 100. And then 35 times 100 will give us 3,500. 3,500. And then energy is measured in joules. So capital J here. So the kinetic energy of the athlete is 3,500 joules. If you find this wonderful, like, comment, and share for your friends. Thank you.